Hello, my name is Jonathan Smart. I work for Innoson in Europe, the manufacturer of the Brayden mannequin. I'm also a volunteer first responder with South East Coast Ambulance Service, and our group in Sevenoaks used the Brayden mannequin to teach CPR in our local community. The Brayden mannequin is obviously an adult mannequin. We have recently introduced the Junior conversion kit. This allows you to convert the adult mannequin into a pediatric mannequin representing a 10 to 12-year-old boy. This means you don't have to bring two mannequins to your training room. You only need to bring the Brayden and the conversion kit. Okay, so obviously designed to be an adult Brayden, but the conversion kit has a face skin which represents a 10 to 12-year-old boy, a torso chest piece which you can easily put onto the Brayden, and a replacement spring which is more representative of the compliance of a chest of a 10 to 12-year-old boy. So first thing you would do is take the face skin off the mannequin as you would in the normal way when you're cleaning the mannequin, and then go into your kit and you'll see a replacement face skin which is representative of the 10 to 12-year-old boy. Connect the O-ring connector as you would do normally with the adult so that it's in place and correctly located, and then you apply the face skin, same as with the adult. It's exactly the same, but this one now is representative of the 12-year-old boy. You then remove the adult chest skin, open the chest piece, internal chest piece, to expose the spring. Pull the adult spring out. This spring, you have to apply 40 kilograms of elastic force to push the chest down 5 to 6 centimeters. Published studies suggest that is the correct force needed for the average adult person. You will now need to replace that spring for one which is more representative of a child or a young boy of 10 to 12 years old. You'll notice in the pack that there's a spring and there are two plastic parts. The plastic part has a circular side and a side representing a cross. The side representing the cross fits into the bottom part of the mannequin. One of them does. So you put it in the correct position, and there is another plastic molding on the upper part where the ribs are of the mannequin, and again the cross locates into part of the molding. The spring then goes over the circular part on both sides, and then you just shut the mannequin. It's important that these parts are in the correct slots on the base of the mannequin. Now you use the junior chest, which is more representative of a boy, and you replace that onto the mannequin. This is something that you might want to do whilst your students have gone off for a cup of tea, having a break from doing their adult BLS training, whilst you convert the mannequin into a junior mannequin. So you just locate the skin, and now you have a mannequin which looks like a 10 to 12-year-old boy to be able to do your pediatric BLS session. The lights work in exactly the same way as the adult mannequin. The force needed is roughly half the force that's needed for the adult mannequin. And you also can ventilate it in exactly the same way as the adult mannequin. You could use the adult mask if you wish, but if you want to be more realistic for ventilating a child, you can use the bag valve mask, but using a junior mask. And the mannequin will work perfectly well with representative chest rise. Okay, so this is the Brayden Junior conversion kit. It allows you to convert the adult Brayden into a junior mannequin whilst your students are having a cup of tea or having a short break. Thank you very much.